Press.
All right, family, welcome back. It is Makisha Stiles, aka Kish here, and once again, I'm your host for today. So today's topic is going to be on how to start Forex trading with $100 or less. Because I know a lot of people come to the market and they're like, okay, I want to go ahead and start trading, but I only got $100 to invest. So how exactly can you start trading Forex with that amount? So what I would say first is you need to make sure that you're setting realistic expectations. What does that mean? That means that with you having $100 or less, don't come in expecting to make $1 million on your first day. You know, you can still earn a great income, no income claimers, right? No disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. But you can still earn great income, but you need to make it realistic. So if you're coming in with $100 or less, just know that it's going to take you a little longer to reach that income amount you're looking for. Now it's like $5 or something, because you want to practice so you're not blowing your money. You want to practice risk management. So on the next, I want to tell you about risk management. So if you're coming in at $100, okay, you want to know that, okay, what can I trade then? It's because I still want to be able to earn some type of income. What can I trade? You want to start researching lot sizes, okay? And if you can, find you a broker that trades a nano, okay? A nano that's the smallest of the smallest, 1 cent per pip. Because now you can slowly grow your account, but now you're compounding, because 1 cent turns into 2 cents, 2 cents eventually goes into 40. Like you're slowly compounding because you have $100, or at least with $100, you can also do a 0.01. These are lot sizes that you're gonna learn about, and that's 10 cents per pip. Now, with you having $100 account, I should never, ever, I tell my students all the time, I should never see you going in with a standard. Because just as quick as you can make it, if that market reverses on you, your whole account is gone. So you want to make it very realistic expectations and practice proper risk management with trading under $100. It is possible, but it's going to take you a little longer to get there. So if you have patience, then you're going to be able to make it, okay? So the next thing you want to do is you want to research your brokers. You want to find brokers, like I said, that offer nano lots. That's the smallest of the smallest, 1 cent per pip. So you want to find those type of brokers, okay? If you're not that patient, then you can go and stick with the brokers that allow you to do 10 cent per pip, okay? And then eventually you can go up to $1 per pip as you grow your account. But with $100 or less, stick to reasonable lot sizes, and you will get there. Like I said, it's going to take you a minute, but you will get there. And then of course too, if you have an under $100 account, you want to make sure that you find a learn and earn program, because you're still learning, right? Because it's under $100, but you want to build that. So while you're building that, because the whole goal, I don't want you to just copy and paste for life. I want you to actually learn this. But while you're learning this, I still want you earning as well. So find some type of learn and earn program where they are teaching you, right? A qualified platform where they are teaching you, but then at the same time, they're providing trade ideas from professionals. Okay, that's the key. There's a lot of different people out here, but from professionals, okay? Like they have an actual platform, okay? You're not just sending them your money through Cash App. Like you want to learn from professionals and copy and paste their trade ideas. And then not intending to tell you why they're doing it, but copy paste their trade ideas, and now you're earning. So now you can kind of build up a little faster because you're not so worried about, okay, oh man, did I do it right? Because you're coming from professionals, okay? So now you're still able to learn and earn. All right, so that is all for today. The topic for today was how to trade in a Forex market with under $100. Make sure proper risk management. Okay, research brokers that allow you to trade the nano size. Okay, make sure that you find the learn and earn programs. Copy and paste trade ideas from professionals. You guys keep saying that, professionals, saying it for a reason. All right, so that is all for today. I hope you found this video very valuable. If you're looking for some learn and earn programs and something I recommend, you can feel free to watch. Should be at the top right hand corner. Watch the whole playlist there. A phenomenal company that I recommend. You can also contact me. Utilize my information in the description of this video. So thank you for watching. It's been Makisha Stiles, aka Kish here, and I will see you all on the next training.